This is a video showing the functionality of our program PNA-Design. When you first start the program, you will be presented with the Start Options menu, which allow you to draw a new floor plan or import an existing floor plan. For demonstration purpose, we will start with drawing a new floor plan. We will now show you the menu bar of the program. Under the File tab, you can create a new scene, import an existing floor plan, save and load your project, or lock your software to prevent unauthorized usage. Under the Setting tab, you can lock the floor plan to disable it from user interaction, which will be demonstrated at a later part of the video. Following is the Generate tab, which can be used to render image and report after the network layout is completed. Lastly is the Help tab, which allows the user to see the description of the program and contact information. Right now, we are in the graphic views of the program. There is an application output window which echoes user actions. The status bar at the bottom will show the coordinates of your mouse cursor in the graphic scene. The selection tool allows users to select and remove objects from the graphic scene. The pen tools allows users to draw straight lines by clicking 2 points on the graphic scene. Additionally, by holding the Shift key, it allows users to draw vertical and horizontal lines conveniently. The Text tool allows users to place an editable text box inside the graphic scene. Finally is the Rectangle tool, which allows users to click and drag to create a rectangle inside the graphic scene. We will now create a new scene to demonstrate how to draw a simple floor plan. No. We will now create a new scene and import a pre-made floor plan to demonstrate our network view. After importing, we can shift the image around and edit it using our graphic tools. After the editing is done, we must lock the floor plan to prevent user interaction before going into the network view. Now as you can see, the floor plan cannot be editable. Now we will go into the network view. User must first normalize the scene by using the pixels to floor plan measurements tool. What this tool does is, it gets the number of pixels within 2 points and converts them into meters from cable calculations. So for example, if you know the width of the living room is 4 meters, you can click on the two ends of the width and input 4 meters. So now you can see in the application output how many pixels on the screen represent 1 meter. Now I will demonstrate how to add some devices and set the property for a simple network layout. The devices can be dragged and dropped into the scene from the project window. You can double click on the device in the project window to set their properties. After adding the device and setting the properties, I will now add the cables to connect the devices. Different colors can be selected to differentiate what the user wants to do. The network window statistic will be updated as the cable and devices are being added. After the cables are connected, if you wish to adjust the cable, just click on either end of the cable and drag it around. To add additional length, double click on the cable and the dialog box will prompt you for user input. After you have input, you can also scroll over the cable to view its statistic information. After everything is done, you can generate the image of the network layout by going to the Generate tab and click on Render Image. You can also print a report regarding your network layout. After all is done, you may wish to save your project and look them when you wish to continue where you left off. Lastly, if you wish to prevent unauthorized users from messing with your work, you may use the log features of the program under the File tab. The program will not log if the password did not match. Likewise, if the program will not unlock if the password is not correct. We have come to the end of our video demonstration. Hope you enjoy.